Hi, Chick Babes. Lux Babes. And Chick Fur Babies. So we have a what? Amazon unboxing. Amazon unboxing. Let me put a camera up a little closer. That's good. Yes, we have two. I love the colors that these boxes come in, y'all. Look. Aren't they cute? They are cute. All by themselves. So, let's see what we're going to open first. Eeny, meeny, miny, look. How y'all doing on this beautiful Sunday evening? Me and Coco, we've been relaxing. We've been relaxing. It's cool. It's a little cool outside. We always get a little cool during this time. We had a little rain, very little. It was just like a slight mist. Just a slight mist. And a look up. Okay, so this is what we have. So this is a charger. It is very cute, and y'all see where it goes, right? Right on the end. So this is a very portable charger for your cell phone. For example, instead of having those heavy battery cover charger batteries, you know, because I have the 14 Pro Max. That phone is big. So just imagine me with a battery charger case. I would rather have this, okay? So you just see the end of it right there? You have to charge that up. So we're gonna, let me bring the, I think I can bring that up a little closer. Not too close. Y'all, Coco is already tearing into that box. She's already tearing into that box. Okay, yeah. So, and the brand is iWalk. And y'all know I had to get a pink one. Pink. I had to get a pink one. So, I have really been on a pink. Pink is my new signature color, y'all. It is. I guess I use it right here. Pink is my new signature color. Yeah, I'm in my lounge, and I was thinking about putting a small. Oh, this is so cute, y'all. This is so cute. This is just so cute. This is so cute. You know what? I had bought one of these before, along with the little wireless mic, you know, to attach to you. But neither one of them worked well. As a matter of fact, the charger that came with the previous charger like this, the adapter did not, it didn't fit with the cord. So hopefully, oh, this is so cute. Let's see. Yes, this is much better. So if y'all looking for something very portable, a nice portable charger, this is it. Okay. So you have to charge this, okay? So let's see. Because the last charger that I had, the USB cable didn't even fit it. I'm like, what in the world? Now this fits. That's how it's supposed to be. So, and you can charge this also. Gosh, Coco. In the back of your computer. So I'll charge this up. I'm excited. I love this. Y'all know I have to get a pink one. Okay, so we'll put that right here. And of course it comes with card. It says the Link Me, that's the brand, the global leader of docking batteries. Okay. So it has different colors. Of course, different sizes. Okay, let's see what else in here. It's just an information guide, customer service information. Okay. And you can register it. Okay. I like registering my items. Sometimes I forget. Okay, so this is a guide here. It's very simple. You just connect it to the bottom of the phone. I'm going to remember to register it. Plus, once you register your product, if it breaks, they'll go ahead and fix it for you. Free. So I got this from Amazon. This was like no more than $15, no more than 15. It wasn't 20, that's for sure. Yeah, no more than 15. And what's next? What's next? Y'all know I love this color. Let's see. I think I'm gonna call the I'm not really hungry. I'm not hungry, but sometimes you do want like a little snack. Cause I had took a steak out. I don't want no steak. I think I want something small, like some egg rolls. That's Miss Coco. Okay, what we got, y'all? We got a selfie stick. We got a selfie stick. I had to get it. It better be in the right color. And this brand is by Traxy. Traxy. I think they sent me the wrong color, y'all. I know darn well. Let's see. Oh, they sent me the right color. When I saw this, I thought it was, they had sent me a green one, but y'all know what color I wanted. Haha. Let's see. Okay, yeah, pink. I think this is supposed to be at least phone, and then of course stretches. Okay. Lights up. Blinking. There we go. That's what I was trying to do, y'all. That's what I was trying to do. I think it's supposed to extend. I hope this one extends. I do want this one to extend. Let's see. Let's see what the instructions say. That's Chinese, y'all. Okay, let's see how to stretch it. Let's see. Let's see if it's supposed to stretch freely. Let's see. There we go, y'all. There we go, y'all. I knew it was supposed to extend out, darn it. I knew it. There we go, y'all. There we go. Okay, that's a good length. That's a good length right there. Okay, it goes even longer. Yeah. Okay, there we go, y'all. Nice selfie stick. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, Amazon. Okay. I love this. I love this. Okay. Portable, very portable. It's small enough to stick in your handbag, ladies. This is just what I need. Okay. And, okay. Pull it. There we go. So you can stick this right in your handbag. Mm-hmm. I love it. I love it already. So let's see. Let's Let's see what am I looking for here. Okay, phone clip. Okay, Shannon, get a light. Now this is so you can, but I thought it was like a regular clicker. So I guess I just click this and we start recording. Okay. I thought it was similar to my individual clicker. Okay, so it says the Bluetooth remote control is, oh, it says it is detachable. Okay, so let's see, y'all. Let's see. Okay. Okay, that's extending it. I figured out this is what I'm unboxing. We'll do another video on how to actually operate it, because this is supposed to come on by it as well, you know, so all I have to do is click. So we'll see something. Okay. Comes with a battery. Let's see where the battery is. Is that it? No, I can't find the battery. I'll find the battery. But it's cute. It's cute. It's my favorite color, y'all. It's cute. So, ladies, you can get this in pink, white, green, black. Okay? Amazon. Only on Amazon.